All right, so you are a new or newer pet photographer and you have no idea how to price your sessions. Likely you are just going with a very inexpensive session rate that really just gives away the whole kit and caboodle, but you know that's not sustainable, or you simply want to make more money to be profitable in your business. Well, if you want to learn how to better price yourself so that you are more profitable, competitive, and actually have quality versus quantity, then keep on watching. Today, we are going to talk about how to figure out your base pricing for a session fee rate and or session fee plus digital package model. All of that will make sense in a minute. I should note we are not going to talk about pricing physical products or artwork, as that is a bit more of a different and advanced pricing methodology for photographers who also offer in-person sales, which I do plan on talking about in another video. So I have found that 99% of photographers generally start with a flat session fee, you know who you are, and usually price their session fees based on what they see other photographers in their market charging for a similar option. There is nothing wrong with that, and we've all been there. Hi, it's me. But it's really important to understand your specific numbers, your time invested, your overhead, and really why you are charging what you are charging so that you can create a sustainable business for yourself. The problem with looking at everyone else in your market is it doesn't reflect the value that you provide, and you are basing your pricing off of their numbers and overhead, if they even know what their numbers are. All right, all that out of the way, let's get into it. So first and foremost, and I want you to get a pen and paper, determine your hourly rate. What do you want to make per hour to start? $25, $50, $100? Then I want you to calculate how many hours currently it takes for you to work with a client from start to finish. So from inquiry to project completion. So if you want to make $50 per hour and you know that it takes 5 hours to work with a client with a base package of the session itself and 5 digitals, from initial correspondence to travel, to the session itself, to editing and gallery delivery, then that means your sessions need to be $250 at a minimum to be profitable for your specific business. But here's the kicker. That $50 per hour you want to be making actually turns into more like $25 per hour after you've pulled out your taxes, insurance, and other business expenses. Most businesses generally have about 40% that they are investing back into their business, which is why we just kind of cut that hourly rate in half, especially if you were set up as a sole proprietorship as I am currently. Now, by now, you kind of have an idea and can determine your hourly rate and time working with a client to determine your session, your base session average. But what if you want to give clients more option than 5 digitals with your session? Or what if clients ask to buy more digital files? Offering digital packages alongside of charging a session fee or deposit or retainer, whatever you want to call it, is really going to help us to increase our average sale and gives our clients an opportunity to spend more with us if they want. And let me tell you, as a pet photographer, people love their pets and want all of their images, so they usually will buy more. Okay, so that retainer or deposit simply holds their date and time and really gets them invested, right? It also helps you prevent no-shows or flaky people, and this can really be whatever price point that you want, but make sure that it's enough that that client has skin in the game. So for this example, let's say that our retainer or deposit is $100, which we can apply as a credit later on. We know that we want to make $50 per hour, and it usually takes us 2 hours to edit 5 digitals, as shown in our base package pricing of $250. That means our lowest package for digitals in this example is $249. For 10, it would be $349, 15 is $449, and say all the digitals, maybe 25, $649. Now, once you take out that retainer of $100, you are making additional gross profit for each package. The trick with pricing your digital package is to also anchor what package you really want to sell by making it the most irresistible. Now, psychology states that people generally don't want the lowest priced or highest priced, but somewhere in the middle is a sweet spot. So if your goal is to make $4.99 per session, then your middle package needs to be $4.99 and kind of adjust your other packages accordingly. Now, the last thing that I will say about pricing your digitals is that generally the more the client buys, the more that they save. So your lowest package could actually be more expensive per digital than your highest. Hence, the higher the package, the lower the cost per image, giving them more bang for their buck. Now, I know that pricing is a total art form, it's very personal, and that this is a very rough and rowdy methodology, but I do hope that it's given you a great starting point for making more money in your pet photography business and offering your clients more than just a standard session, giving them an opportunity to buy more with you. So get out there, figure out your session fee and or your deposit and digital packages today. I bet you'll have questions, so drop those in the comments below. I would be happy to answer them, clarify anything for you. Until next time, be kind and rescue dogs. Thanks for watching.